Good morning. The earnings season is underway. Jim, we can now focus on these earnings again because government is in session.
Right.
But we do get this delayed September jobs report out
Right.
tomorrow. What are you looking for? What do you think the market will do?
I think
in
the number will
reaction?
be incoherent.
Yeah.
I think people will say, listen, this number was not put together correctly. I mean, everyone's very suspicious about what the Labor Department is doing. I mention this because this is a very important number. These numbers are always important, but the government being out of session has just thrown havoc into everything. Because the number will be so confused, I think it won't be as important. However, the undercurrent of this U.S. economy is one where things are just not going anywhere. But Europe is very strong. You just go look at the GE quarter. China's very strong. So what people are saying is, look, if you're worried about employment, the Fed will have your back. If you're worried about growth, be an international. Although the small cap stocks, and a lot of those are biotech. But I just think that because of the very nature of the inability of the government to do the job, it may even impact how people view the labor number.
Interesting. Now, if we do get a solid number, even if it's tough to follow, we've said that there might be, again, this talk of tapering coming back.
Yeah, we haven't had that talk of taper in 48 hours. And
Right.
there's people who make a cottage industry of talking about taper.
Right.
And the fact that there was a big May-June spike in interest rates makes that possible. I don't like housing here.
Right.
And housing is totally susceptible, even though everyone says it isn't, to higher prices, but also higher mortgage money. So stay away from housing. Stay away from housing.
Though you've mentioned the earnings have been strong. So if we do get this taper talk, which maybe could drive down prices, you've noted come back to some of these strong quarters that have reported.
Yeah, international. I mean, look, we have Boeing this week, we have 3M this week, we have Caterpillar this week. I like to see what those quarters do ahead of time. But GE, if the market goes down, GE's the go-to.
All right. We'll be watching for opportunities to buy some of these strong names. GE is one key one Jim mentions. I'm Nicole Erkin for The Street. Thanks.